Hello, welcome to another episode of Cannispirations. Today we talk about the new DEA registration for medical cannabis operators. I'm Beck Selman. This is my host, Warren Harris. We'll discuss what you need to know and what you need to do now.
All right, let's go ahead and dive into what just happened. So on April 28th, 2026, the Department of Justice's final order moved state licensed medical marijuana from Schedule 1 to Schedule 3 effective immediately. So what this means is 280E tax relief is immediately effective. Medical operators are no longer blocked from deducting ordinary business expenses, and this means their effective tax rates could drop from 70 to 80% down to normal business operating levels. This also grants safe harbor protection. So filing within 60 days and continuing operating under your state license while the DEA processes this application guarantees that there's no gap in authorization for this registration. There is a 60-day window, so applications need to be filed by June 26th in order to get a 6-month processing protected operating status. Late filers get no guarantees on such status.
All right. To proceed with your application, you would just go to mmaapplication.diversion.dea.gov, and there are 7 sections and a $794 fee that could be paid with a PayPal account. You would need to fill out the form, your business information, legal name, tax ID, address, organization type, and any prior DEA registrations. Then the activity, you need to disclose whether you're medical or dual use operator offering recreational as well. All your state license information, including license number, issue date, and expiration date. Of course, that must be current and active license. You need to disclose your liability. These are convictions, revocations, disciplinary actions for the entity and all officers, partners, or stockholders. In the large section, number 5, compliance, you need to disclose all your suppliers and their DEA numbers, SOPs for 12 areas of compliance and operation, social security numbers for all staff with inventory access, and physical security details, including a layout of your operational physical security cameras, secure access. Then a payment, of course, $794, and then review all information. And remember, this is federal application, and falsification could mean criminal charges. Take this seriously. Note this dispensary is specifically this registration is specifically for dispensaries. The manufacturers and cultivators also need a DEA registration under the final rule, but the file form 225 on the standard DEA diversion control portal. The DEA has not yet launched a cannabis specific process for those license types, but on 425 form 225, it has a section for marijuana and cannabidiol. So watch for updates on a cannabis specific process for that. For cultivators, manufacturers, research laboratories, distributors will all need to register. So please consult your legal counsel for guidance on that as well.
So, what to do right now? Start by confirming that your state medical license is in fact current and in good standing. Gather all required info before you open the portal. You can reach out to us at Cannispire for a free preparation checklist. Survey your ownership group for liability disclosures, anything that might create a potential issue with this registration. And then file your application before the June 26th deadline. Again, this guarantees you that 6-month operational period of grace while the DEA reviews everything. If you miss this deadline, there's no guarantees. We don't know what the penalties potentially could be for that. But at the same time, given the guidelines and framework the DEA has in place, there will eventually be some sort of penalty for that. So keep your operations continuous. Talk to your tax counsel now about 280E and your amended returns, And then if you're dual use, begin segregating medical versus adult use operations now. And then, of course, reach out to those of us here at Canaspire. We will amend your SOPs, we'll update your site plan, we'll help you get your security operations compliant, and we'll also help you just gather all of the materials that you need to fill out this registration. Lastly, this is informational content. This is not legal advice. Please consult your licensed counsel for guidance specific to your operations and license type. Thank you for joining us at Canaspirations, and reach out if you need help with your DEA medical dispensary registration.